Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Alright guys, good morning ladies and gentlemen. How's it going? Today we launched from the riverfront boat launch and we're fishing in the Milwaukee Harbor. We're going to be targeting brown trout. I figured I'd give you guys a quick rundown of what we're doing. So we're going to be setting 2 set lines with minnows on them. And then I'm also going to be running the gauntlet on my other rods. Casting blade baits, jigging gulp, casting crankbaits, trying everything else just to see if I can find what they're hitting on while we're waiting for a bite on the 2 dead sticks. So we're gonna get set up here. There's a lot of debris floating in the water right here. It's about 6:30 a.m. so we're just gonna give this spot a shot, see if we can catch any fish here. It looks like I'm marking a few on the locator, and we'll give this spot a shot for maybe 20-30 minutes. If we don't get any bites, we'll probably start jigging the gaps and doing our normal milk run. So we'll keep you posted. I rigged up my automatic fisherman onto the side of my boat here. So we're gonna set these. That way when I get a bite, it sets the hook automatically for me. And I don't gotta keep watching my rod tips the entire time. Let's do this. All right, so on the auto rods, I have this small size 10 Gamakatsu octopus hook. I have only 8-pound fluorocarbon on, that's it. And then I got about 2.5 feet up to my barrel swivel, and then I got my, I'm gonna say maybe 1/4 ounce egg sinker on here. All we're gonna do is hook a minnow right on here. So we're just gonna hook him right behind the dorsal fin, just like that. Send it down there. So the wind forecast today is super calm from the west, so pretty excited about that. That means there's going to be no waves for me almost all day. And we gotta set it. Set it and forget it. Hopefully we don't get too many trips from the debris and the waves and whatnot. This is the first time I've ever done this, so we'll see how it works for us. It'd be pretty sweet to get one of these autos popping off. Didn't get to use them too much this ice season. Those browns are pretty tricky out there. So it'd be nice to get to experience that a little bit. Set it and forget it. All right, we got 1 auto set up there, large fat head on it, and we got 1 auto set up there, large fat head on it. We're just gonna let them soak down there. I set them probably both a foot or 2 off the bottom, so they're just kind of hanging right above the bottom. And now we're gonna jig with Callan's jigging minnow. Time?
Right, I'm already marking a ton of bait, so that's part of the idea.
Yep. Yeah, I see some marks in there.
Yep, there's fish down there.
Oh.
You ready?
Yep.
Nice.
All right, we got our first one on here.
There you go. Is that live bait on that?
Yeah, I got a fat head.
Fantastic. So thanks for being willing to share. There are some guys that freak out about this.
No, I don't mind at all.
Kind of more fun watching, everybody's catching them.
Yep.
Good one?
It feels decent actually. But this is my ice rod, so.
Oh, okay.
I don't even have my net ready.
Yeah, there's a ton of fish out there right now. I'm marking them out.
Oh yeah, this one feels decent. Oh, it's just a steelhead or a rainbow, nothing too crazy. What's that? Oh, popped off. That's why I gotta have my net ready. All right, so we had one pop off right away. It was down there for probably 2 minutes max. It was just a small steelhead or a small rainbow. It's a good way to start the morning. Unfortunately, I didn't have my net ready, so I got it up to the top. It took another run and it popped off. Oh. Automatic fisherman worked. They're down there.
Oh, damn, he bent my hook wide open.
Oh, here we go.
You're on?
Yep. All right. Nothing too big. Hasn't really ran yet. Oh, just a small. We're all tangled. Better get him in the net. Small rainbow. Nice little rainbow.
How about this, Mark?
Oh yeah, we're hooked up with a decent one here. This one is not budging. All right, we're just gonna play him out. Oh yeah, here we go. I don't want to horse him too much. I got a really small hook on this one. Oh, not bad. I saw a glimpse of him. Oh. Nice run. It's brown, I think. Oh. Wow, I'm surprised you didn't spit the hook. Oh, there we go. Whew. I'll take it. Now we'll get a quick picture. Get him right back in. I feel like I have no room to move around in this small boat. I can only imagine you guys. You guys can see this on my graph here. We got 33 feet, and the red is the bottom. And then all from 30 to 15 feet, that greenish yellow, is the current, the water current coming out of the discharge that we're fishing. So all of that's the current, that's the bottom. Here's the top of the water column. And then you'll mark fish periodically through here swimming in the current, but that's what they're attracted to. Good luck, guys. We'll see you around.
Yeah, you too.
Alright guys, what is up? It's time for the midday update. So I went 4 for 5, I want to say, and I headed out around 12:30, 1 o'clock-ish. I went back in for lunch. I went to the St. Francis Brewery, got a burger, nice and full, happy. Stopped at R&R, got some medium shiners instead of those fat heads, so hopefully those work a little better. Fat heads were working fine, as you guys saw, but I don't know, I prefer medium shiners. Just a little bit bigger bait profile down there for them. So we are headed back to the Milwaukee Harbor. I'm thinking the bite's gonna pick up in a couple hours, right around 5:30-ish or so, when the sun starts getting low in the sky. So if they're biting okay, I think I might stay out for an hour or two into the night and see what happens. While I was at R&R, I picked up a couple of glow cast masters and a few other glow baits. Just so they can see it a little better. The water's pretty dirty, and when the sun goes down, the visibility gets pretty bad. So something with a nice glow on it will help them find that bait and hopefully produce some more strikes. We're headed down to the riverfront boat launch right now, and we're gonna launch the boat, see what happens. We'll keep you posted. And it is way too wavy out there for me, so I did not launch the boat, and I am now driving to the Oak Creek power plant, see if that's any better. All right, we just got to the power plant, or we just got to Bender Park boat launch. And there's about 5 or 6 other boats out there. We're gonna launch and head over there. It looks pretty choppy between Bender and the power plant, but once we make that ride, once we get up in there, I think we can kind of tuck in there and we'll be kind of sheltered. So I think we're gonna give it a shot. Oh boy. We're gonna go for it, boys. We're gonna go for it. Wish me luck. See you out there, hopefully. Holy smokes, folks! Woo! We made it. We just got the meat down, beat down, crack down, smack down laid on myself. Driving my 12-footer out here. And everybody I talked to said they haven't even seen a fish caught. They said the warden was out, he stopped 30 people, didn't see a single fish caught, so I don't know, we'll give it our best shot, we'll see what happens. There he is. I just saw him surface. That was freaking awesome. I just saw the fish surface on top, and I cast right in front of his face, and he hit it. There we go. See this beauty? There you guys go. Beautiful brown. There he goes. See ya. There he is. Oh yeah. Hooked up on the glow spoon, baby. Heck yeah. Feels decent. First cast with the glow spoon. Staying down pretty good. He's taking me upstream. We're gonna play this one out a little bit. Feels better. Feels like a decent one, guys. He's running. This is a nice one, guys. He's not coming up, and he's swimming straight upstream. This thing's a tank, I think. I really want to see this one. Just got to keep a constant pressure on him so he can't spit those hooks. Oh, I snagged him in the tail, that's why. Dang it. You guys see this? Snagged him in the tail. Damn, that's a beauty. That's a beauty, but I snagged it. His tail's all roughed up. It's got a little kipe on him, but then look at his tail. Look at his tail. His tail's not looking so hot. Let's get him back in. All right, take off, buddy. Go on, go on. Take off. You can do it. Go on. There he goes, there he goes. See ya! Oh. Alright guys, thanks for coming along tonight. If you did like the video, hit that like button. If you want to go on more adventures, smash that subscribe button and we'll see you next time. Peace!